Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to delete Kijiji account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to delete your Kijiji account, what you need to do is open up your browser. Then on the search bar, simply type in kijiji.ca, and once the home page loads, simply log into your account. Then once logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on the drop down menu from the top and then select account settings. Then once you're inside your account settings, what you need to do is scroll all the way down until you find the option privacy settings or account preferences, and there might be a link or a button to delete your account or close the account. Then all you gotta do is simply select it and follow the prompts to confirm your account deletion. You might have to provide a reason. Sometimes Kijiji sends a confirmation mail. Open it and confirm your deletion. If you can't find the delete option, what you can do is simply head over at bottom of the page and then select help desk, and once you do that, you can contact Kijiji customer support to request account deletion. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.